Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your SIM supports fixed dialing numbers and retrieving PIN2 from your carrier. This is required to change FDN. Once done, backup contacts because FDN filters outgoing calls and can affect messaging. Next, open Settings, go to Security or Call Settings, then select Fixed Dialing Numbers. Make sure to choose the SIM slot if dual SIM. Now tap to enable FDN, and the device will prompt you for PIN2. Enter it to unlock editing and proceed to add allowed numbers. Once FDN is unlocked, you add allowed numbers carefully. Use international format with a plus sign and country code to avoid mismatches when roaming. You should include full numbers with area codes and add separate entries for voicemail or SMS-capable lines if needed, labeling each clearly so you can manage them later. If your carrier supplies a SIM toolkit or network app, make changes there for better compatibility. Make sure to save each entry and confirm they appear in the active FDN list before moving on. To complete setup, lock fixed dialing numbers using PIN2 so only authorized changes are possible. This prevents accidental edits. Once locked, test by placing an outgoing call to an allowed number and then to a disallowed number to confirm blocking works and that emergency calls still function. If a number fails, edit formatting to international style and retest. If PIN2 is incorrect or lost, contact your carrier for a PIN2 unblock or SIM replacement. That single troubleshooting step resolves most access issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.